with a kangaroo suit. It rattled her brain, it gave her a migraine. A back, a side, a tummy ache too. One morning in May, Sue wandered away, leaving her relatives gazing on her. What did she see way up in a tree? Koala sailing in play. And suddenly Sue was convinced she had found the way to a safe while bouncing around. She climbed to the top, she heard all about hope, and nodding and then fell again to the ground. Marsupilio, one lesson or two. Be happy with who you are. Don't ever stray too far from you. Get rid of that frown and welcome them down beneath that marsupial star. If you're a kangaroo, so do what kangaroos do. With summer at hand, the weather was grand, so Sue stole away from her kangaroo. Combing the shore, she heard someone snoop, a platypus asleep in the sand. How cozy, she said, completing the slip, knowing the probably will travel ahead. How perfect for me, a leopard, a snug, watery bed. So Sue flopped in the mud with a dollar in her shell. She swallowed the skeleton, drip and a shell. The older the two, the poor kangaroo had time for Mona and Colic and Gout. Marsupilio, one lesson or two. Be happy with who you are. Don't ever stray too far from you. Get rid of that frown and welcome it down beneath the marsupial star. If you're a kangaroo, through and through, just do what kangaroos do. When Adam one more, Sue got to explore a creature she never laid eyes before. A version of her in miniature, a wallaby with cousin galore. Before very long, Sue joined in the fun, jumping and dancing and jumping, happy and free she fled. At last I'm where I belong. So she looked at the wallaby quietly and small, exactly like her, but not so tall. She widened her eyes, she cried with surprise. A kangaroo's life's not so bad after all. Marsupilio, no longer so blue. You're happy with who you are. You'll never stray too far from you. You're rid of the man and lost up in that big marsupial star. You are a kangaroo through and through, oh do a kangaroo do. You are a kangaroo through and through. So do what kangaroos do. Bum, bum.
Bravo.